Forget pushing harder. What if you could prosper deeper? Let's spend 10 minutes mining the wealth you already hold. Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This is a space for you to unwind, to reconnect, and to plant powerful seeds for your future. We're going to blend the nurturing energy of gratitude with the magnetic pull of your own aspirations. So, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest gently. And whenever you're ready, allow your eyes to softly close. Begin by simply noticing the breath, not trying to change it, just following its natural rhythm. The gentle rise as you inhale, the soft release as you exhale. With every exhale, feel yourself settling a little deeper, releasing any tension you're holding on to. Let the chair or the floor fully support you. Now, we begin with gratitude. We start not with what's missing, but with what's already present, what's already working. Bring to mind one simple thing you are genuinely grateful for today. It could be the comfort of this space you're in, the reliability of your breath, or a small kindness you experienced. Hold that feeling in your heart and silently say to yourself, I am so thankful for this. Feel that warmth of appreciation for a moment. Notice how it softens you, how it makes your heart feel a little more open, a little more full. This feeling is your foundation. From this place of fullness, we now gently turn our attention to your vision of success. Not with striving, but with allowing. Imagine success as a feeling of flow, of alignment, of things working out with ease. What does that feel like? Maybe it's a sense of deep peace, of confidence, of vibrant energy. Invite that feeling in now, as if it's already here. Let's connect these two, gratitude and success, with some gentle affirmations. And you can simply repeat it in your mind, letting it resonate. I am grateful for my journey, and I am ready for my blessings. I give thanks for the opportunities that are already flowing to me. I am grateful for my inner strength and wisdom. They guide me toward success. I welcome abundance with a thankful heart. My gratitude attracts wonderful new beginnings. Now, in this quiet, receptive space, imagine this feeling of grateful success as a soft, golden light. It starts right in the center of your heart, warm and bright. With every gentle breath, see this light expand. filling your entire body with a sense of thankful confidence and peaceful accomplishment. It glows around you, creating an atmosphere of attraction. An atmosphere where good things can easily find you. You are not chasing, you are radiating. You are in a state of grateful receiving. Just rest here. In this powerful blend of thanks and trust, there is nothing you need to do. Just be here, in this feeling. As our time comes to a close, know that you can return to this feeling anytime. With just one breath and one grateful thought. We'll end as we began, with the breath. Gently bring your awareness back to the rhythm of your breathing. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes, inviting a gentle sense of alertness back into the body. And whenever you feel ready, at your own pace, allow your eyes to softly open. Welcome back. You carried gratitude into your dreams for the future, and that is a beautiful, powerful act. Carry this calm, thankful confidence with you as you move through your day. You are worthy of every good thing you imagine. Thank you for meditating with us.